Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 2B Concierge one-bedroom suite. This room has lots of fun details in it and does sleep up to 5 adults, has plenty of space for everyone.
We absolutely love this. Of course, all the suites are very nice here on the Wish, but this one's a great kind of in between the huge suites and the regular staterooms that are concierge staterooms, and we can't wait to show you.
Let's go check it out.
So when we first come into the room here, you can see on the left we have a gigantic mirror opening up the room a little bit there, and on my right we have a small little door here. This actually leads to our second bathroom. We do have 2 full bathrooms here in this room. You have a toilet in here as well as your vanity, a really good size countertop there, lots of space, storage down below. We have the lighted mirror up above there, and then our shower and tub combo. This is a detachable shower head as well as a rainfall style shower head. If you open up the door here, you can see lots and lots of space in this shower. Really nice. And you have upgraded toiletries here. You've got the sponge there. You have the Elemis shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, as well as the lotion and soap over here on the sink. Now heading out into the main part of the room, we have kind of a dining room area first over here. Rapunzel's tower here on the wall, beautiful piece of artwork, and little Pascal staring at you when you walk into the room. The dining room area here, this small table does get moved by the stateroom host if necessary to pull down a bed, because this actually pulls down into a twin size bed right here. They'll take care of that for you if you need, of course. We got the mirror up there on the wall, beautiful chandelier here, and on the left, a closet that is behind these beautiful mirrored doors. Love the design on these. Open this up, you can see we've got a lot of storage space here in this closet. Huge closet rod up there. We have our safe in here and some drawers for storage, and plenty of room on the floor for storing your luggage if you'd like as well. Then we have our little kitchenette area, I guess you could call it here. We've got a few shelves and a countertop. We have our glasses here. We have some drawers for storage, pretty decent sized drawers here, and then you've got Duffy sitting there. He does not come with the room, unfortunately. He is just visiting with the guest who allowed us to do this room tour. Over in the living room area, we have a couch that pulls out into a full-sized bed. They'll move that little table for you and take care of setting that bed up if you need it. So that's where you get your 3 people here on this half of the room to make that total of 5. We've got a beautiful piece of artwork with Rapunzel and Flynn and the floating lanterns up there on the wall. You do have a connecting door to the stateroom next door. Depending which suite you're in, you could either connect to a regular veranda stateroom or another 1-bedroom suite. And then over across from the chair and couch here, we have a flat screen TV on the wall. We've got a veranda here that does stretch across from the living room to the bedroom. We'll head out there and check it out real quick before we come back in and see the bedroom and bathroom here in the suite. The veranda is a really good size, of course, spreading all the way across. You've got 4 chairs, 2 little tables, plexiglass walls on the railing there so you can look out as you're sitting here on the veranda. And again, if you have that connecting veranda, they can open up that wall for you and expand it out to include the next room as well. Heading over here into the bedroom, you can see we actually have 2 doors to go in. Both of those are pocket doors, so you can close them off if you need to. The bed in here is a king-size bed. We've got it raised off the ground, so there's some storage underneath for your luggage. Beautiful bed runner down here at the end with the Disney Wish logo embroidered on it. And our pillows have little Mickey heads on them as well. If you look closely at the corners, little bitty Mickey heads. They've actually upgraded the sheets in this room as well compared to the regular staterooms here on board. Up above the bed, we have a beautiful mural with a Rapunzel-inspired scene. Lots of little reflective elements with the lanterns, and there's lights pointed directly at it, so it kind of glistens. It's a really pretty setup there. And then over here on the side, we have a nightstand, just a small drawer there, and an outlet that has a USB on it as well as the 220 there. We actually have a little menu of pillows. You can have your choice of pillows since you're a concierge guest here in the suite. And then there's a little reading light and a lamp over here. The lamp, when you turn it on, you can see there's a little Mickey head right there in the lamp. And on the other side, you have the same setup. We'll see that here in just a second. The TV is down here at the foot of the bed, so you do have 2 TVs, one in the bedroom, one in the living room area. This nightstand over here, as I mentioned, is the same setup, except your outlets are a little bit different. You've got a USB-C, regular USB, and a wall outlet, and they provide you with this charging mat for all of your wireless charging needs. You can do an Apple Watch, you can do headphones, you can do phones, all those different things. Our little makeup desk area over here, we've got a couple small drawers. We also have a small makeup mirror and then the large mirror on the wall. We have an outlet over here in addition to the 220 outlet. And then across from the little makeup desk, we have another small dresser area. A few little decorations here. I'm sure that was painted by Rapunzel herself. All the different pottery and boxes and things. We have another little Duffy in here from the guest who's staying here. And then we have a couple different drawers. You can see that one's really shallow, but these actually pretty good size. And you would think this door here would go to the bathroom here in the room, but it actually goes first to your closet. You've got a walk-in closet here that you pass through to go to the bathroom area. There's a couple closet rods over here on this side. You also have some shelves with another in-room safe there and a little tray to put your things in. You have another door if we slide these over, and this is where you're going to find your robes, the concierge robes that are really plush and have the concierge logo on them. You've also got some slippers down there on the ground. And then this door does take you into the beautiful bathroom here in the suite. Absolutely gorgeous. We've got the double vanity here, massive countertop, lots of storage underneath with drawers and shelves. You've got a few different things here as far as the toiletries go. Huge lighted mirror all the way across. And then this beautiful mural from Tangled here with the floating lanterns. Tile work is just amazing on that. Absolutely gorgeous above the giant soaking tub here. No jets on the tub, just a big soaking tub. You do have a shower in here as well, of course. This is another walk-in shower. And this has a rainfall style shower head as well, and of course that detachable shower head. You've got some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in here. And then you do have a toilet in here. It's in this small little room here with the brown glass on it. Open that up and you can see we've got the toilet in here. And they even are so fancy, they stamped the toilet paper with the Disney Cruise Line logo. So overall, lots of space here in the room, lots of storage space. And you do have two separate living areas because you have this bedroom in addition to the living room area here in the suite. So that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 2B Concierge one-bedroom suite here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And check out the channel for tons of room tours on all the other Disney Cruise Line ships and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.